Section 9.2 is of the parabola. A definition: a parabola is the set of all points in the real plane that are equidistant from some point called the focus and some line called the directrix. The focus cannot be on the directrix. For this class, the directrix is going to be either horizontal or vertical. So this is an example with a horizontal directrix and a focus. And this is a point, xy is a point on the parabola defined by this directrix and focus. And you can see the distance from the point to the directrix, which is the length of a perpendicular segment dropped from the point to the directrix, and the distance from the point to the focus are the same. I labeled them both D here. And this is true for any point that you pick on the parabola. The vertex, it's also true for the vertex. The vertex is directly between the focus and the directrix. So if you drop a perpendicular from the focus to the directrix, the vertex is halfway along that line segment. So you end up getting all these points on the parabola this way. This distance from the vertex to the focus is called P. It's the same as the distance from the vertex to the directrix. So the distance from the focus to the directrix is 2P. Okay, so P, distance from focus to vertex, equals distance from vertex to directrix. That's important when you're graphing. It's important to know that. Makes it easier to graph the vertex or the focus, whichever one you're... If you know the focus and the directrix, it makes it easy to graph the vertex. And if you know the vertex and the directrix, it makes it easy to graph the focus. And if you know the focus and the vertex, it makes it easy to graph the directrix. So if you know any two of those, you can graph the third just from this fact. So note that P is a constant and D changes as the point xy on the parabola changes. So for example, on this picture, P is shorter than this D. This is a different D here. So the D depends on the point that you're at. But the main thing is that the two Ds, like the one from here to here, one from here to here, and the one from here to here are the same distance. If I went here, that one would be shorter, but this would still be the same distance as this. Right? So anyway, that's a parabola definition.